Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you could easily repair Microsoft Office products. This repair or this fix can be applied to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. If you have a problem with any of these or with all Microsoft Office products, then this video will help you to fix it. This video will be divided into two parts. One where I will show you how you can do quick repair, and the second one how you can go for online repair. For the first quick repair you will not need internet, but for online repair you want to make sure that you are connected to the internet. So we want to go to our search tab and we will type control panel. We'll click to open the control panel, and here if you have a different view from small icons or large icons, you want to make sure to change it to category so that you are able to follow with this video. Next you will click on programs and we will select uninstall a program from programs and features. Once done, press anywhere with the mouse and press the button M on your keyboard to locate Microsoft Office. Once you have located your Microsoft Office, it doesn't matter if you have professional or home or student or 365, this fix will repair all of them. Once you have located your Microsoft Office, you want to click with the right button of the mouse and click Change. Windows will ask you if you really want to allow the application to make changes to your device, uninstall or change an application. Just go ahead and click Yes. Once done, here as you can see we have this little window saying if we want to perform a quick repair or online repair. So let's go ahead with quick repair to see if it's going to fix the problem which we have with our Office. Click repair and you will need to wait. This operation might take between 3 to 15 or even 30 minutes. Once completed, we will go ahead with the next step. Once the repair is completed, this little window will pop up saying done repairing. We have finished repairing your Office programs and features. You can now close the window and use your programs. So click close. Go and check again any of the applications with which you have been facing the problem. If it has been fixed, then it's great. If not fixed, then we will go for the second solution and we'll go again and click Change. We'll go again and click, if you really want to allow the application to make changes to your device, you will just click Yes. And here we are going to select the second option, Online Repair. Make sure that you are connected to the internet before clicking Repair. And once you have clicked Repair, ready to start an online repair, click Repair and you will have to wait. There are 4 steps. Windows or Microsoft will be running the repair online for you, and once completed another window will pop up and I will tell you what you should do after. Now it says please stay online while Office downloads. Will be done in just a moment. So in this case at this stage you will need to wait. Actually the operation might take even up to half an hour to fix all the problems for you. So now guys, Office has been completely repaired and it says you are all set. Office is installed now. Click Start to view your application. So we'll just click Close. You can go ahead and check your Microsoft Office if it's working properly. Open any of the applications and check if it will be working. So now I will just open Microsoft Office to see if it's working. I will just close or ignore to sign up. PowerPoint was not functioning for me, but now it's working. And you might be asked to reactivate your Microsoft Office again, so you can go ahead and reactivate again. Now guys, you can go ahead and use your Microsoft Office. If it still doesn't work for you, then the last option will be for you that you go back to Control Panel and that you uninstall completely Microsoft Office and reinstall it again. And you will need to reactivate it and it might work for you. This is the last option and it always works. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.